Hey, what is up guys? This is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The storage goes from 128 gigabytes all the way up to 1 terabyte. And the screen size of this mobile is 6.7. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is 6.7 and the iPhone 14 Pro is 6.1 inches. It is splash, water, and dust resistant. And it also has an A16 Bionic chip, 6-core CPU with 2 performance and 4 efficient cores, 5-core GPU, and the most important thing, that is the 16-core neural engine. And another safety feature added to the iPhone 14 Pro models is crash detection and emergency SOS via satellite. So here are some built-in apps and some free from Apple, like iMovie, Pages, Keynote, and all the way to Apple support. And what do you get in the box? You get an iPhone 14 Pro or a Pro Max, and you get a USB-C to Lightning cable. And the iPhone 14 Pro models have 4 different colors: deep purple, gold, silver, and space black. So now let's talk about the price of these phones, that is a Pro and a Pro Max of the iPhone 14 lineup. So if I take the Pro, let's take the Pro first, and I will take gold, which is my favorite color every time I take gold, and let's take 512 gigabytes. No, I have no smartphone to trade in. It goes all the way up to $1,299. Okay. So if you have a smartphone to trade in, like this option, and you can go over here and select the model. Like, yeah, it's gonna, for example, I have the iPhone 13 Pro, and then is it in good condition? Of course, yes. So good news, our iPhone 13 Pro qualifies for 2 great values. So I get the trade-off over here. Now let's have a look at video recording. So you can record videos at 4K 24 FPS or 25, 30, or even 60 FPS, 1080p, that is HD at 25, 30, and 60 FPS, 720p at 30 FPS. And the most important, which is first introduced in the iPhone 13 models, which is cinematic mode, 4K HDR at 30 FPS, and action mode up to 2.8K at 60 FPS. So 4K, just like how we have 4K, even 2.8K is a video recording option. And we have action mode. It's going to give you the video stabilization. You're having a travel vlog, or you're recording when you're running, when you're walking. So it's going to stabilize the video. So the sensors which are available on this Pro models are Face ID, LiDAR scanner, barometer, and high dynamic range gyro. And the rest we had in the previous iPhones. And this phone comes with iOS 16 out of the box. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel, and I'll see you next time.